Welcome to News Acharya. This is Sable Vincent from Final Year MBA, bringing you the latest educational development from Acharya Institutes. Acharya Institutes joins hands with Dr. Rajkumar IAS or KAS Academy to provide expert coaching, mentorship, and resources for civil service aspirants, ensuring their success in competitive exams. Acharya Institutes wins the overall championship at Sourabha 2025, securing the Dr. Rajkumar Rolling Trophy with stellar performance in debate, music, dance, and theatre. Congratulations to all the winners. Acharya Institutes proudly host Health Kreedotsava and Health Kalasangama, uniting students from Acharya and BM Reddy College of Pharmacy, Acharya Institutes of Allied Health Sciences, Acharya's NRI Institute of Physiotherapy, and Acharya School of Nursing, a celebration of fitness, sportsmanship, and cultural talent. Acharya Institute proudly welcomed Infosys for a pool campus drive, connecting aspiring minds with career opportunities. From insightful sessions to rigorous assessments, students took a step closer to their dreams. A big thanks to Infosys for shaping future leaders. Department of Journalism and Mass Communication AIGS organized a media visit to Republic TV Kannada, giving students hands-on exposure to newsroom operations, live broadcast, editing, and anchoring, a valuable insight to the fast-paced world of television journalism.